In front of me is Blackview Tab 6, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, you need to access Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner and click on Files category. Now you can finally hold your file right away. Select Audio filter at the top, pick one of those apps, or even hit those three lines at the top left corner and click on one of those categories. In my case, Downloads. Now you can finally hold your file and add it by tapping on Select at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my audio file was successfully added. In order to add a video one, click on Gallery section instead. Select Folders and add your video the same way as audio file. Over here though, select the best option for you. I will go with low quality video. And to save your choice, hit Add at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!